When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades provide as many long-term benefits as replacing your windows and doors. If you're a homeowner in Redmond, installing high-quality windows and doors can not only enhance the beauty and functionality of your home but also increase its value. These upgrades are an investment that offers both immediate rewards and future returns. In this article, we'll explore how Redmond Windows and Doors can provide a significant return on investment by boosting your home's energy efficiency, curb appeal, security, and market value. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most compelling reasons to replace your windows and doors is the energy efficiency they can provide. In Redmond, where temperatures can vary significantly throughout the year, maintaining a comfortable indoor environment is a priority. Outdated windows and doors can be major contributors to energy loss, as they may not seal properly, allowing warm or cool air to escape. Insulated glass. Modern double-pane or triple-pane windows feature insulated glass that helps to reduce heat transfer. This keeps your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the reliance on heating and cooling systems. Energy-efficient doors. New doors, especially fiberglass or steel doors, offer improved insulation and weatherproofing. These doors provide a barrier against drafts and prevent heat loss, helping to regulate the indoor temperature more effectively. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors, you'll enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment, making this a wise investment for the long term. Enhanced curb appeal. Your home's curb appeal plays a critical role in how it's perceived by potential buyers, neighbors, and guests. Windows and doors are one of the most noticeable features of your home's exterior, and upgrading them can give your property an instant makeover. Stylish designs. Redmond Windows and Doors come in a variety of styles, from sleek modern designs to traditional looks. Whether you're looking for energy-efficient sliding windows or elegant French doors, there's a wide selection to choose from, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home's aesthetic. Fresh, updated look. If your existing windows and doors are outdated, cracked, or worn out, new replacements can give your home a fresh, polished appearance. A stylish front door and new windows can make your home stand out and leave a lasting impression. Upgrading your windows and doors enhances your home's overall aesthetic, giving it a more welcoming and attractive exterior. Increased home value. Replacing your windows and doors isn't just a cosmetic improvement. It's also a smart investment that can significantly increase your home's value. Homebuyers are often drawn to homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and quality windows and doors are high on their list of priorities. Better resale value. Homes with new windows and doors have a higher market value because they provide both functional and aesthetic benefits. Potential buyers will appreciate the energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal these upgrades offer, making your home more appealing in a competitive real estate market. Return on investment, ROI. According to various studies, window replacement can offer a substantial ROI, often recouping a significant portion of the installation costs when you sell your home. In Redmond, where homes are in high demand, replacing your windows and doors can be an especially lucrative investment. By installing Redmond windows and doors, you're making a long-term investment that can increase your home's equity and marketability. Improved security. Windows and doors are one of the primary entry points for burglars and intruders. Upgrading to high-quality windows and doors can enhance your home's security and protect your loved ones and belongings. Stronger materials. Steel and fiberglass doors are much more secure than traditional wooden doors, providing better resistance to forced entry. Modern windows, especially those made with impact-resistant glass, offer enhanced protection against break-ins. Locking mechanisms. New windows and doors are equipped with advanced locking systems that provide an extra layer of security. Multi-point locks on doors and secure window locks prevent easy access to your home, ensuring that your family and possessions are safe. Installing Redmond windows and doors improves your home's security, giving you peace of mind knowing that your home is better protected. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows and doors require more maintenance over time, leading to additional costs and headaches. Modern Redmond windows and doors, however, are designed for durability and low maintenance, saving you time and money in the long run. Low maintenance materials. Many new windows and doors are made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials, which are highly resistant to wear and tear, fading, and moisture damage. These materials require minimal maintenance compared to traditional wood options, which may need regular painting or sealing. Long-lasting performance. High-quality windows and doors are built to last for many years, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. This durability adds to the value of your home, as potential buyers will appreciate the low-maintenance features of the property. With new Redmond windows and doors, you won't have to worry about constant repairs, giving you more time to enjoy your home. Conclusion. A long-term investment for your Redmond home. Investing in Redmond windows and doors is a smart way to increase the value, security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your home. These upgrades not only provide immediate benefits in terms of comfort and aesthetics but also offer long-term value by increasing your home's resale potential and reducing maintenance costs. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or are preparing to sell, new windows and doors are a valuable investment that will pay off for years to come.